Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language for creating web pages. It provides the structure for all content you see online, from text to images. Think of it as the skeleton of a website. You'll learn how browsers interpret these instructions to render beautiful and functional web experiences. Mastering HTML is the first crucial step in your web development journey, opening doors to countless creative possibilities. Next, we'll dive into the core elements that form the building blocks of any web page. You'll discover how to use heading tags from H1 to H6 to structure your text hierarchy. Paragraphs are defined with the P tag, and hyperlinks, crucial for navigation, are created using the tag. We'll also cover embedding images and using generic div and span elements for layout control. These fundamental tags are used in nearly 100% of all web pages. Now, let's explore how to structure an entire web page effectively. Every HTML document begins with a doc-type declaration, followed by the HTML root element containing both head and body sections. The head holds metadata, while the body contains visible content. We'll also introduce semantic tags like header, nav, main, and footer, which provide meaning and improve search engine optimization. Proper structure is key for both users and web crawlers. Finally, we'll look at creating interactive elements and emphasize the importance of practice. You'll learn to construct forms with various input types, enabling user interaction. Displaying data in a structured way is easy with tables, using tags like table, tr, and td. Remember, consistent practice is vital. Try building at least 5 small projects. Regularly validating your HTML ensures clean, error-free code, which is a best practice for every developer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.